Hello to all DIY enthusiasts and makers. In this video, another practical garden project is being presented, a handcrafted garden chair. No professional grade tools are required for this build. A standard drill, a saw for cutting material, and a sanding tool, such as a random orbital sander, are entirely sufficient. This makes the project accessible even to moderately equipped workshops. The process begins with precise measurement of the base frame. In this case, wooden boards with dimensions of 160 by 25 millimeters are used. Measurements are carefully transferred onto the material, which is then cut to size using either a miter saw or a circular saw, as demonstrated here. Individual components are then arranged on a workbench. Holes for joining dowels are drilled using a countersink jig. While such a tool may not be available in every workshop, a practical alternative is to pre-drill standard holes and insert wooden dowels manually. Accuracy at this stage is critical for proper alignment during assembly. For increased structural strength, all joints are reinforced with wood glue. It is essential that an exterior-grade adhesive be selected to ensure durability and resistance to weather conditions. This significantly extends the lifespan of the finished product. The frame is then fully assembled and secured. The seat section is constructed from wooden slats measuring 30 by 30 millimeters. The edges are chamfered using a router, although this step is optional. A simpler alternative is to sand the edges thoroughly to achieve a smooth, comfortable finish. Installation of the seat slats is carried out using self-tapping screws. However, for a cleaner visual result, the use of a nail gun with appropriately sized nails may be considered, as it eliminates visible screw heads and enhances the overall aesthetic. Once assembly is finished, the entire chair is carefully sanded and treated with a protective coating. This step ensures a smooth surface while also protecting the wood from environmental exposure. For best results, multiple thin layers of finish should be applied rather than a single thick coat. The result is a well-crafted and durable garden chair. This project can typically be completed by an intermediate DIY enthusiast within a single afternoon. Producing a full set of 4 to 6 chairs can realistically be achieved within a week. Comparable chairs purchased from retail stores may range between 100 and 250 euros per piece. By building it yourself, a significant cost reduction can be achieved while maintaining full control over quality and design. Wishing you success and satisfaction in all your DIY projects.